it's a Pokemon! Wow, let's try and catch it. Oh! My very excellent M&M just spilled upon nobody!
Now pause. What did Kelly say again?
My very excellent M&M just spilled upon nobody.
Yep, MVEMJSUN. This is a mnemonic to help you remember the order of the planets from closest to the sun to farthest. Now that we've made our first rocket, come with me and let's go to our first planet, Mercury.
Ooh, it is so hot here. Now why is this so? This is because Mercury is actually the closest planet to the sun. It is also one of the smallest planets, and its temperature can go up to 427 degrees Celsius. Now, what is that? Is that a crater? That looks like a moon. Yeah, okay, well Mercury looks like a moon because it has so many craters, and it is a terrestrial planet, which means it is made out of rock. The weird thing is, it doesn't have any moons. Now let's go to another planet. This is Venus. It may look pretty on the outside, but inside it's just full of volcanoes. The temperature
Is 465 degrees Celsius.
The weather is unpredictable here. Also, it is about the same size as Earth, and it actually has no moons, similar to Mercury. A fun fact about Venus is that it actually spins backwards from Earth, which means it spins in a different direction. Now let's go back to Earth. Oh, thank God, we're finally back home to Earth. Alright, so this is the planet you live on. It's actually the third planet from the sun. So let's just learn a few fun facts about Earth. So the average temperature of Earth is 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. It is filled with oceans and continents, as you know, and it is actually the 5th largest planet. In addition, it only has one moon, which is why you can only see one moon in the sky at night. Alright, now let's head over to our next door neighbor, Mars. Mars is pretty similar to Earth, but look at all this red, dry dust around it. So Mars is actually the 4th planet from the sun. It is a bit more colder than Earth. It is about negative 62 degrees Celsius, and it actually has 2 moons. So since it has some similarities to Earth, and it is the next most habitable planet, scientists are looking into Mars and seeing if humans can actually survive. So it is bound to happen in the future, but probably not now. Let's head to our next planet. Why is it so cold on Jupiter? I guess it'll only get colder from here. Anyway, Jupiter is actually the 5th planet from the sun. It is the biggest, and it can even fit 1,300 Earths. The temperature of Jupiter is actually negative 149 degrees Celsius, which explains why it's actually freezing here. It is actually our first gas planet that we have come across, which means the gas is made up of ammonia and water, which make clouds. Hello everyone, welcome to my favorite planet, Saturn. As you can see surrounding me, there are 7 flat rings that are made of rock, ice, and dust. This is actually the second largest planet, apart from Jupiter, and it is also a gas planet. Now, this average degree here is negative 178 degrees Celsius, and it has
82 moons.
Now, let's head on to our second to last planet, Uranus. Thank God we only have one more planet after this. Anyway, welcome to Uranus. Here, everything is always cold and windy, and as you can see, it's blue, icy, and gassy everywhere. Anyway, the average temperature here is negative 219 degrees Celsius, which is crazy. It is actually the 3rd largest planet, and it has 27 moons. Anyway, let us move on to our final planet, Neptune. Hello everyone, welcome to Neptune, the last planet of the 8. So this planet is actually known for being the coldest and the windiest out of all the planets, and it is about 30 times farther away from the sun than Earth is. The average temperature here is negative 220 degrees Celsius, and it has
14 moons.